Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Related to point 2, he's just not a very good actor. That's why he didn't get much screen time in the original series, and that's why he's not getting screen time now. It's nice that they brought him back for the Connors, but he really has no right to be there based on his acting ability.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The Connors showrunner has confirmed what fans have long suspected, that Jackie's son, Andy, who has been conspicuously absent throughout the show's revival, won't be on the series, TV Line reports. That's because the show's writers and producers will be proceeding as if he never existed.
Let's help you make your mark.
In Cheating, Revelations in a Box of Doll Heads, Becky explained that Mark died in a freak accident. When her roommate Rachel surmised that her stint in rehab was a part of God's plan, the widow scoffed and said, "The last time God helped me, she threw a deer in front of my husband's motorcycle and he died."
Take our lead.
His legacy lives on in the form of David and Darlene's son, Mark Healy II, who is named Mark in his honor. In Cheating, Revelations in a Box of Doll Heads, from Season 3 of The Connors, it is revealed that he died in a motorcycle accident when a deer ran into the road.
Take our lead.
There's a different DJ in the pilot episode of Roseanne. Roseanne worried that he'd appear too old too quickly and also noted that Barone didn't seem to get along with Sarah Gilbert, who played Darlene, so DJ was recast.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.